So welcome everyone. So in the last class we discussing interpolation with equal interval. Okay, and we solved some numerical with help of the finite differences using forward difference. Okay, here the next topic is interpolation with unequal intervals. Okay, so the spacing between x, the value of x is not uniform. The value of x is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have solved the equation like this. So where value of x are evenly placed. Okay. So the step difference is 1. Okay. So value of x is 1, and the corresponding value of y is given, and we have solved missing terms in this case. Okay. Now, if there is uneven spacing is there, like 5, 8, and 12. Okay. So we have to find the value of x, y. Let's suppose it is given 5, 12, 18, and it is not given, and here it is 7. Okay. So main idea is that the value of x are of unequal intervals. Okay, they are unequally distributed. Okay, so for interpolation, we can't go with forward difference method. Okay, so it is only applicable where value of x is evenly distributed or spaced. Okay, so now for unequal intervals, we have to go with these two methods. First one is Lagrange's interpolation formula, and second is Newton's formula with divided differences. Okay. So first we deal with this Lagrange's interpolation method. Okay. So interpolation is method of estimating unknown values which falls between two values. Okay. So this is definition of interpolation. Okay. So here let we derive its formula. So if y is equal to f of x. So we are taking y is equal to as a function of f of x, takes the value, takes the value y naught, y1, y2 up to yn, okay, corresponding to x is equal to x naught, x1, x2, and x. Okay, so what we have x and value of y like this. So x naught, x1, x2 up to xn. The corresponding value of y is y naught, y1, y2, and y. Okay, so we have this values of x and y. Okay, so then according to this method, and this interpolation method, f of x is equal to x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, then dash up to x minus x of n. Whole divided by first term is x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3, and then dash up to x naught minus x of n, and into y. Okay, so first value is this. Next, another term next term will be x minus x naught. Okay. So this is corresponding to x naught. We can't write x minus x naught. So this will become 0. So next will be x minus x naught. X minus, now here it is for x1, so it will be x2. X minus x3 up to x minus xn. All multiplied by y. Okay. All divided by, this will x0, x0, x0. So this will be x1 minus x0 and then x1 minus x2. Okay, so we can't write it x minus x1 minus x1. Okay, so this will become 0 and this term will become. Okay, so we write x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2. We skip x1 minus x1. It will become 0. And the third term will be x1 minus x3. Therefore, up to x1 minus xn. Okay, it is multiplied by yn. Okay, so for x2 will be so plus x minus x naught, x minus x1. Okay, so we take x minus x3. We won't take x2. Okay, here it is up to x minus x1 multiplied by y naught 1 and this will be whole divided by x. This is x naught x1, so this will be x2 minus x naught, then x2 minus x1, then we skip x2 minus x2, next term will be x2 minus x3, that is up to x2 minus xn. Okay? Plus dash of 2 nth term. So this will be equal to x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, dash of 2. So we have to skip xn minus xn, so this will become 0. Okay, so this will be x minus 1. Okay. Whole divided by this will become xn minus x naught, xn minus x1, xn minus x2, and this will be xn minus. Okay, so this is Lagrange's formula. Okay, to find the value of x, unknown value of f of x. Okay, for unequal intervals. Okay, so this is unequal interval. So this formula is Lagrange's interpolation formula for unequal intervals. Okay, so this is quite lengthy formula, but you will get the value of f of x at any value of x. Okay, so how we get this formula? How we arrive to this formula? So in the examination, proof of every method is asked. So We just go through this derivation. Okay. So we are deriving this formula. So let's suppose again that f of x y is equal to f of x. Okay. So we are assuming y is equal to f of x be the function which takes the values of x, y. Okay, which takes the values of x naught, y naught. So first value of x is x naught, first value of y is y naught, x1, y1, x2, y2, and so on to x1, y. Okay, so this is the value. Now let this polynomial be formed. Of the form y is equal to f of x is equal to a naught x minus x1 x minus x2 divided by 2 x minus x plus a naught will be x minus x naught, x minus x1, divided by 2, x minus x plus a1, x minus x naught, x minus x2, this will be x2. So here x naught is not taken, here x1 is not taken, here x2 is not taken, x minus x. Okay. Plus derivative of 2a n x minus x naught x minus x1 derivative of 2 xn minus. So we have taken this polynomial like this. Okay. So now substitute here y is equal to y naught and x is equal to x naught. Okay. So we are assuming the first value of x is equal to x naught, and we are finding the value of y. Okay, so substitute here x is equal to x naught. It is, if you substitute here x minus x naught, this will be 0, this will be 0, the whole, this is x minus naught, so this all values will become 0. Okay, so we have only this, so y naught will be equal to a naught and replace x by x naught. This will be x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, and so on to x naught minus x. Okay, so this is the value of y naught, and from here you can find the value of a naught. So a naught will be equal to y naught whole divided by this thing. So this is x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, and therefore to x naught minus x. So this is the value of a naught. Okay. Now, next what we do, we find the value of y1. So y is equal to y1. Here we substitute x is equal to x1. Okay. So next step in this. That's this equation number 1. We substitute the value of y as y1, so this will become y1, and x is equal to x1. Okay. So here we are substituting x is equal to x1. So if you put x is equal to x1, this will become 0. This is x minus x1 is 0. X minus x1 minus this will become 0, and we get only this term. It is x1 is absent here. Okay. So similarly, you can find a1 is equal to y1 upon x minus x naught, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, x1 minus xn. Okay. So this is x minus x1. We are substituting x is equal to x1. So this will become 0. This will become 0, and this will become 0. Whole term will become 0. Okay. So only we get here. This is sorry. This will be a1, and this is a. So this term only. So here x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2. Okay. And again, by substituting y is equal to y2 and x is equal to x2, you can find a2 will be equal to y2. This will become x2 minus x1, sorry x0, x2 minus x1 and x2 minus x3, that is up to x2 minus xn. Okay. And an, similarly an will become yn minus xn minus x0, xn minus x1, xn minus x2, that is up to xn minus xn minus 1. Okay. Now substitute the value of x0 here and x1 here, and sorry, a0, a1, a2 and a1. You will get the Lagrange's formula. Okay. So substituting the values of a0, a1. Okay. So we are substituting the value of a1, then a0, a1, then a2 and a. Okay. So what we will get? So y is equal to f of x. Okay. So this is x minus x1, x minus x2. So x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, then just equal to x minus xn. Okay. So this is the term. And what is a0? A0 is y0 upon this. So this will be y0 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3, that is up to x0 minus xn. Okay. So the second term plus substituting the value of a1. So this is x minus x0, x minus x1, x2, x minus x3, that is up to x minus xn. Okay. And here numerator it is y1, so it is whole multiplied by y1 divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, that is up to x1 minus xn. Okay. Similarly, you can find the remaining term of this expression, okay, of this formula. So dash up to nth term, so this will be x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2, whole divided by xn minus x0, xn minus x1, xn minus x2, that is up to x minus 1, and that is up to x minus. Okay, y into y. So this is the formula of Lagrange's interpolation for unequal intervals. Okay, so we will solve numerical based on this. So this formula will be clear, and how to solve a numerical based on this. Okay. So first question: find the polynomial f of x by using Lagrange's formula, and hence find f of. So you have to find the value of f at x is equal to 3. Okay. So the table is given x, y, 0, 1, 2, and 5. 2, 3, 12, 147. Okay, so this is the numerical. So you have to solve this problem. So you have to find the value of polynomial f of x. So first you have to find the function in terms of x, and then finding this function in terms of x, find the value of f of 3. So substitute value of x in place of 3. Okay, and again it is unequal interval 0, 1, 2, and 5. Okay, so this is unequally placed. Okay, so we will apply this Lagrange's method to find the value of f of x and then f of 3. Okay, so first you have to write. So first you have to write from Lagrange's formula. So you have to write the Lagrange's formula. Okay. So here, what is this formula? This is Lagrange's formula. So this will be equal to f of x y is equal to. So this is x0, this is x1, x2, x3, and this will become y1, so y0, y1, y2, and y. Okay, so here up to y3 is given. So f of x will be x minus x1, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3. Okay, so go with only start from x0, x1, x2, x3. So this will up to x3 into y0. Okay, so y0 is given upon x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 into. So this will be the first term. Second term, x minus x0. Here x0 is absent in the numerator. Here x1 will absent, x minus x2 and x minus x3. Okay, so remember this formula. So in first x0 will be absent, in second x1 will be absent, in third x2, and in fourth x4 will be absent in the numerator. And the denominator contains x1 minus x0. So x1 minus x0, there will be no x1 minus x0. Okay, this will become x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3 into y. Okay, so in this manner you have to write the formula. Okay, now next x minus x1, x0, x minus x1, and here x2 is x2 is absent, so you put x minus x3, and this will become x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1. There will be no x2 minus x2. This will be x2 minus x3 into y2. And last term x3, x minus x naught, x minus x1, and x minus x2. There will be no x minus x3, all divided by x3 minus x naught, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2. Okay, so in this manner you have to write the formula. Okay, now substitute the values of x0, x1, x1, x2, x3, and its corresponding values y0, y1, y2, and y3. Okay, so from table it is clear x0 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2, and x3 is equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, y0 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 12, and y3 is equal to 137. Now substitute these values here. Okay, so f of x will be equal to, so this is x minus x1. So value of x1 is 1. So x minus 1. Then x minus 2. Okay, x2. So we write this two term. Okay, so x minus 2 and x minus 5. Okay, here x naught will not be taken. Okay, and in denominator is x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3. So x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, 0 minus 2, 0 minus 5. So this will be 0 minus 5. Into y naught, value of y naught is into. Similarly, you can write the rest terms. Okay, so this is x minus x naught is 0. Then x minus, now x1 will be not taken here, so this will be x minus x2, x minus x5. All divided by 1 minus 0, 1 minus 2, and 1 minus 5. And here is y1, value of y1 is 3 multiplied by okay. Plus third term x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x naught is 0, x minus x1, x is 1. This will be is absent here, so this will take x minus x5. Whole divided by this value 2 minus 0, 2 minus 1, and 2 minus 5. Value of y2 is 12 into 2. Plus x minus x naught, first value, second value, third value. X minus 1, x minus 1. Whole divided by 5 minus 0, 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2. Into y3 is 147. Okay? Now solve this. So you will get our equation in terms of x. Okay, so this will give f of x, and you can find the value of x. Whatever the value of x is there, you can find the value of f of x. Okay, so this will become x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 5. This will become minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 5 into 2. Plus this is x minus 2, x minus 5 divided by 1 into minus 1. 1 minus 5 is minus 4 into 3. This will x minus 1, x minus 5 whole divided by 2 into 1 into minus 3 into 12 plus x into x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by 5 into 4 into 3 into 147. Okay. this will be, you can write directly f of x is equal to, so this is 2, 2 will get cancelled out, it is minus 1, this will be minus 5. Okay? So this is minus 5, x minus 1, and this is x square minus 7x plus 10. So this can be written as actually x square minus 7x plus 10. Okay. Plus, so we can write this directly, this will be x square minus 7x plus 10. Okay. Sorry, so next term will be same. So here, this is minus minus, will be 4, 3 upon 4, it will be 3 upon 4. Okay. This is, you can write directly, this is, you will get x square, then add this 2 term, this will be 7x, multiply this 2 term, this will become 10, okay, into x. So you can write directly as x cube minus 7x square plus 10x. Okay. Then this is x square minus 6x plus 5. Okay. And here it is 12 and only minus. So this is 6. So you will get minus 2. Okay. So you will get minus 2. Minus 2. And this is x square, so this will be x cube minus 6x square plus 5. Okay. Then it is 147. Okay. So divided by 3 is 49. So this is 49 by 20 plus 49 by 20. This will be x cube minus 3x square plus. Okay. So solve this, you will get the equation like this. On solving this, you get x cube plus x square minus x plus 2 of this. So in this manner, you can find the divide by 5. 2 divide by 5. 4 divided by 5. ठीक, बाकी भी देखो. So this is 2 into 2 cancel out. ये 1 upon 5 मिलेगा minus 1. ठीक है. ये 3 upon 4 और ये 12 divided by minus 6 minus 2 और 147 divided by 3 49 और ये 20. ठीक है. ये वैल्यू and once you solve this, you will get this formula. So this is f of x using Lagrange's formula. हाँ सो ये x हो जाएगा 5x और ये 2x. ठीक है. ये x मल्टीप्लाई कर लो इसमें, ये हो जाएगा x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x प्लस 5 into x. Okay. So you will get f of x like this. Okay. So f of x is equal to this, and you have to find f of 3. Okay. So substitute x is equal to 3, so this will be 3x square minus 3 plus 2. Okay, so you can find the value of f of 3, so you will get 35. So f of 3 is equal to 35. Okay. So here in the question it is asked to find f of x. Okay. If directly it is asked that f of you find the value of f of 3. So you can directly substitute here x value of x as 3 and you can calculate this value. But in the question it is asked to find f of x. Okay. So f of x is x cube plus x square minus x plus 5. So you can find the value of f of x for any value of x. Okay. So next question. So second question, find the missing term in the table using interpolation. So you have to find the missing term in the table, okay, by using interpolation. Okay. X, y, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you have to find the value of the missing term in the given table by using interpolation. Okay, so whenever this type of question is given in the exam, so first you have to find whether this interval of x is equal or unequal. Okay, so in this case it is 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Here 3 is missing. Okay, so it is a case of interpolation with unequal interval. Okay, so x is not equally placed. Okay, so here you have to apply this Lagrange's method in order to find the value of y when x is equal to 5. Okay, so if they are equally distributed, then use finite difference method. Okay, and when they are unequal interval is given, so we go with this Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay, so again by Lagrange's interpolation formula. So in this case, we have to find only f of 5. Okay. So f of x, no need to find f of x. In the question it is only to find the value of y at x is equal to 5. So in the previous question it is asked to calculate f of x, the function of f of x. Okay. So here no need to find this f of x. Okay, in terms of x, you directly substitute the value of x as 5. Okay, so how to do this? So according to Lagrange's formula, so f of x, so right, this is x naught, this will be x1, this will be x2, and this will be x3. No need to write this. Okay, so you have to find the value of, so just hide this, and this will for time being, let's hide this. Okay. So this is y0, this is y1, this is y2, and this is y3. Okay. So f of x is equal to, again, x minus x1. Start with x minus x1, x minus x2, and x minus x3. Okay, last term is x3, and this will be x0. Okay, started with x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 into y0. Okay. Plus second term x minus x0. We start with x minus x0, x minus x2. There will be no x1 and x minus x3. X minus x3 whole divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3. This is 1. Okay. Then third term, start with x minus x0. So here x0 is not included, here x1 is not included, here x2 will be absent. So x minus x1, x minus x3, and it is y2 whole divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, and x2 minus x3. Okay. So in this manner, you can write the formula. So make a practice to write this formula. Okay. So next, x0 minus x0. So x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2, whole divided by x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1, and x3 minus x2. Y. Now, here you can directly write, substitute the value of x as 5. Okay. So here you have to find the value of f of x, or it is equal to y, at y is equal to x is equal to 5. Okay. So this is unknown. So now directly substituting the values of x. Okay. So you can write. So here we are substituting f of x is equal to. So first we write this equation by substituting x0, x1, x2, and x3. Then we will substitute x. Okay. So this will be x minus x1. x1 is 2. So x minus x1 is 2. Then x1 minus 4. Then x1 minus 6. Whole divided by x0 is 1. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 6. Into y0 is 14. Into 14. Plus second term. Okay. So x minus x0 1. X minus 4. X minus 6 divided by 2 minus 1, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 6 into 50. Okay. Plus x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 6 divided by 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, and 4 minus 6 into y2. y2 is 5. And last term x minus x1, x minus x2, x x minus 4 whole divided by 6 minus 1, 6 minus 2 and 6 minus 4 into last one is 9. Okay, so in this manner you have to find the values of f of x. Okay, so here how to write this? So first start with this. Okay, x minus 2, x minus 4 and x minus 6. Okay, x minus 2, x minus 4 and x minus 6. Next, hide this x minus 1, x minus 4 and x minus 6. Okay, so next x minus 1, x minus 4, x minus 6. Next, hide this x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 6. Then this 3, hide this 6. So x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 4. Okay, and in denominator start with 1, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 6. Second, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 6. Third, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 6. And last, 6 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4. Okay, so in this way you can remember this formula. So this will be equal to x minus 2, x minus 4, x minus 6. This is minus 2, minus 3 and minus 5. Okay. This is minus 1, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, into minus 5, into 14, plus x minus 1, x minus 4, x minus 6, into 15, whole divided by 1, into minus 2, into minus 2. Plus third term will be x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 6 whole divided by 4 minus 1 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2, into minus 2, 4 minus 6 into 5, plus x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 4 whole divided by 5 into 3 into this is f of x or y. So f of x will be equal to, so this is 15, 14 upon minus 15. Minus 14 upon. So here we can substitute. Given we have to find f of 5. Okay. So we are f of 5. Okay. So we will substitute. Then x is equal to 5. So this will be equal to 5 minus 2, this term, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 6, whole divided by minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 5 into 4, plus here 5 minus 1, 5 minus 4, 5 minus 6 into 15, whole divided by 1 into minus 2 into minus 1. Okay. Here plus 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 6 divided by 3 into 2 into minus 2 into 5 plus this 5 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 4 whole divided by 5 into 3 into 2 into 9. Solve this, find the value of 1. at x is equal to 1. तो लास्ट में हाँ ठीक है 5 into 4 into 2 ठीक। चलिए अब इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए, देखिए कितना वैल्यू आ रहा है। This will be 3 into 1 into minus 1. This is 14 minus 3 minus 5. This will be 4 into 1 into minus 1 into 15 divided by minus 4 into minus 4 plus 4 into 3 minus 1 divided by 3 plus into 5. This will be 4 into 1 into divided by 5. 4. So तुषार का है 3.9. anyone else? So from this formula, if a table is given, so you can find the value of the function, okay, f of x, and you can find the value of that function for any given value of x. So this is the application of this Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay. So ये गलत आ रहा है। हाँ तुषार ठीक है, अब ठीक है, 3 है। So answer is 3. ठीक है, इसमें बहुत मिस्टेक होता है, ठीक है, जब मैं भी कर रहा था बहुत सारा मिस्टेक हुआ है, ठीक है, तो आपको इसको देखना है वो मिस्टेक्स को, एंड आंसर इज y = okay. So this method is quite lengthy, but you will get the values of y for any value of x. Okay. So so in the next class we will see more application of this method. You can find the slope of the line, okay, and there are many more application of this method. So in the next class we will see its application, more application. Okay. So any doubt in today's class? Okay. Thank you, class.